Natural selection is the process in which organisms that are more adaptable in their environment will reproduce and pass down traits. This may change the genetic makeup of a population over an extended period of time, survival of the fittest. The favorable traits will create a better pool of population genetics. This theory was created by Charles Darwin while studying natural history. Natural selection is possible because of the variations of phenotypes. These phenotypes can be passed down to offsprings. Variation and diversity in a species is key to the process of natural selection. Evolutionary divergence occurs when various new species have formed from one common ancestor as a result of a change in a genes that is responsible with special abilities to adapt to their environment. This trait that link them back to their common ancestor is called a homologous trait. Another component of natural selection is the struggle for existence. There may not be enough resources in an environment for an entire population. This created competition for resources. The same animal that can have different traits depending on their environment. An animal's characteristics depend on their environment so that they can survive. For example, tortoises from North America can look different from tortoises in Africa and South America. Natural selection is also important because it plays a role in the evolution of species. There are two types of evolutionary changes, microevolution and macroevolution. Microevolution occurs on a much smaller scale than macroevolution. This includes a small group of organisms over a small period of time. Macroevolution occurs on a much larger scale that involves a large group of organisms over a large period of time. Natural selection allows a species to get better traits to help them survive and evolve. Natural selection affects every living thing on our Earth.